Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to share files and folders with Dropbox so you can collaborate with your team or send large documents to anyone instantly. Let's get into it. First, locate and select your content. First, you need to find the specific item you want to share within your Dropbox dashboard. Log into your Dropbox account and navigate to your All Files list. Hover your mouse over the file or folder you want to share. You'll see a Share button appear on the right side, or you can click the three dots icon for more options. Next, choose your sharing method. Dropbox offers two primary ways to share, depending on how much control you want to give the recipient. Type the email address of the person you want to share with into the To field. Click the drop-down menu to select Can Edit, best for collaboration, or Can View, best for final documents. Then click Share File/Folder to send an email invitation. If you want to send the file via a messaging app or to a large group, click Create Link at the bottom of the window. Once the link is created, click Link Settings to add a password or set an expiration date, available on professional or business plans. Then click Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. Step 3. Manage Shared Access. If you ever change your mind, you can easily revoke access or change permissions. Click on the Shared tab in the left sidebar to see everything you have sent or received. Click on the Who Can Access link next to any file. From here, you can remove individual people or delete a link entirely, which instantly stops anyone from being able to view or download that file. And that's pretty much it. To share in 2026, hover over your file, click Share, and either invite via email for full collaboration or copy a link for quick viewing. Always double-check your Can Edit versus Can View settings before hitting Send to keep your data secure. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.